Matapos ang isang maaksyon na laban ng Masbate City at Mandaon, heto't nakaabang na ang lahat para sa ating second game ng ating double header on our Day 15. Ito po ang inyong paborito, ang inyong sinusubaybayang Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurug pa, Team Balod versus Home Team Mobo. Susunod na. Ayan, pero bago yan, pasalamatan uli natin ang Mobo LGU sa pangunguna, siyempre, Mayor Raymond Osmondo and Salvacion. Mayor, maraming salamat po. Magandang gabi Pilipinas, hello world, Diyos Maray na Banggi. Ako po si Kapa Morgan along with Jem Pleto, ang inyong magiging basketball analyst sa gabing ito. Magandang gabi sa iyo, Jem.
Magandang gabi, Kap Morgan. And let's look at our matchup for tonight. It's Team Balud versus Mobo with a similar standing dito sa larong to. Both teams coming off a win. Balud winning against Mandaon and Mobo winning in a dominant fashion against Milagros. And this is a must-need win for them to progress in the next stage of the tournament. Kaya naman, magkakapisikalan to, partner.
Okay, so ano na natin, wag na natin masyado pang pabitinin ng mga tao. Ibato na natin sa ating arena announcer, JV Salvidar.
This is your Day 15 of Ako Bicol Cup Katanduan. Masbate, brought to you by Congressman Saldico at Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasunod pa. We welcome you everyone inside the Laguna Covered Court for our double-header matchup. For our second game, we'll have a Team Balud versus Team Mobo. And for the first fight for Team Balud, wearing jersey number 6, Arsani Fuentes. Wearing jersey number 18, Jeffrey Espinosa. Wearing jersey number 23, Remar Villanueva. Wearing jersey number 39, El Anthony Lavajo. Wearing jersey number 45, Mark Ceniza. And for the first fight for Team Mobo, wearing jersey number 1, Miguel Ryan Cabrera. Wearing jersey number 9, Jomar Santos. Wearing jersey number 18, Raymar Planusa. Wearing jersey number 20, Mark Kenneth Canoy. Wearing jersey number 31, Armand Sabayo. And for the officials for this warhead, Richard Romero Pina. Upper 1, Ronnie Malviz, and upper 2, Bonano Chimacera. This is Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, ating to!
Yes, nandito po tayo sa loob ng La Laguna Covered Court sa bayan ng Mobo, Masbate para sa ating second and final game ng ating doubleheader ng Day 15 ng inyong Ako Bicol Cup, hatid sa inyo ni Congressman Saldico at ng Ako Bicol Party List. Katabang na kasurug pa. At ayan, si referee Roger Obina is about to throw that ball up for the tip-off para dito sa dalawang kupunan na gustong maiuwi ang pangalawang panak. At ang unang nakakuha ng bola ay ang mga mga nakaputi, mga taga Balod and Espinosa. Hit check, partner, ano?
I-check pa lang, i-check pa lang. Well, partner, you know, as you can observe, magiging magandang matchup to sa post. Itong si Aymar Sabayo and itong number 45 na si Ceniza.
Titingnan natin kung yun nga ang mangyayari. Pero ang unang nakabuslo ay ang mga taga Mobo, ang home team courtesy of Landusa, hitting that triple.
And I believe part
Sana kay Jomar pero naagaw nitong mga taga-Balod. And what a beautiful lay-in mula dito kay number 29, and that's Anthony Labajo hitting his first bucket of the ball game. Now Cabrera to Carongoy, balik kay Cabrera for Mobo. Mobo fires a 3! At ayan, walang sabit sa ring. Pasok na pasok ang tira nitong si Cabrera.
well, that's a good start and it's a good sign for Mobo hitting those 2 3-point shots early in this game.
Ayan na nga, parte, yung sinasabi mo, yung pisikalan at banggaan na sa ilalim nitong si Ceniza at ni Jomar Santos.
You know, it's true nga, partner, na magkakaroon ng magandang matchup itong big men ng both teams. Itong si Seniza and si Sabayo. And let's not forget also the guest player of Mobo, itong si Jomar Santos, who can score inside and outside of the offensive field. And ito nga si Jomar Santos, he was dominant in this last game. He
Tama.
scored 26 points, right? And most of them were his 3-point shots, with ito nga.
Ayan. Unang tila nitong si Jomar Santos na pinag-uusapan lang namin kanina. Itong si JM at ayan, hitting his first triple of the ball game. And he is also good pagdating sa labas. Talagang tumitikada yan. Now Espinosa fires back. And that's the first three-pointer made by this guy, Jeffrey Espinosa, dito sa ating Ako Bicol Cup Masbate, dahil siya ay isang bagong acquisition mula dito or para dito sa Balod. At ayan, sagutan ng tres, partner. It's raining threes dito sa loob ng La Laguna covered court.
No, partner, both teams are starting out good. They're getting and converting those 3-point shots early. Sagutan ng 3-point shot.
Out of
So,
bounds.
do you think yun ang magiging mga senaryo natin sa hanggang sa magtapos itong larong ito? Kakaumpisa pa lang natin. We're almost 2.5 minutes gone by.
Tingin ko, partner, in their timeout or in their huddle, magkakaroon ng adjustments for sure. Itong dalawang teams na mag-stretch out and mag-challenge ng mga shots na to. Kasi open ang mga tira nitong 3-point shots coming from Mobo and Balud.
Just like that, na attempt ni Lanusa sa corner, kaya lang di pumasok. But right now we have a report mula na kay Ms. Mabel Echegoyen. Ms. Mabel, pasok!
Thanks ka pa Morgan and Jem, and good evening sa ating mga kasurog. Nagbabalik mula dito sa courtside, Mabel Echegoyen para sa koponan ng Team Balod. During my pregame interview with Coach Jody of Team Balod, he says that this is a crucial game for their team. Dito umano huhugot ng kumpiyansa ang kanilang players na matalo ang iba pang malalakas na koponan sa District 2 sakaling matalo nila ang Team Mobo. As part of their game plan, we're seeing Jeffrey Espinosa in the action. Siya ang tutulong sa team when it comes to rebounding and scoring to add more sparks to offense. They will also stop the perimeter shots of Jomar Santos and his fast breaks. So let's just expect nothing but the best from Team Balod. And that's the latest for now. Back to the panel.
Yes, maraming salamat, Ms. Mabel Echegoyen.
And tama nga siya, partner. And itong sabi nga ni Coach Jody of Team Balud, their new acquisition, itong si Jeffrey Espinosa, will surely be their guy for this game against Mobo.
Traveling violation.
He's going to be the anchor for Team Balod. And maganda naman dahil nakakalimang puntos na kaagad itong si Jeffrey Espinosa, hitting that three. And kanina lang while nagre-report itong si Mabel, naka-score din ng left-handed layup itong si Jeffrey Espinosa. Kaya yan, mayroon na nga siyang 5 puntos. Pero kulang pa yan para makahabol dito. Dahil nalalamangan sila ngayon ng 6. It's 15 kontra 9 ng Balod at 6:45 remaining.
And I think, partner, magkakaroon ng adjustments defensively itong Balud kasi nagkakaroon ng libreng tira itong Mobo on the outside beyond the 3-point country. Magkakaroon talaga ng adjustments ito kasi they're allowing these points na nakakatambak sa kanila ngayon sa first quarter.
What do you think is the adjustment na gagawin itong mga taga-Balod when it comes
I think
to defense?
it's important, partner, na mag-challenge sila ng shots when it comes to the outside country. They need to challenge every shot that's taken and they need to stretch the floor talaga para ma-defensan itong 3-point shots.
So, mag-extend And ayun, nakatira na naman doon si Karongoy. Buti na lang at hindi pumasok. Pero he hit one while Mabel Echegoyen is reporting kanina. And now Espinosa to Fuentes. Fuentes drives. Tries to use the board. Big rebound for Senisa. Balik kay Fuentes. Short jumper mula sa corner. And that's good for Fuentes. That's his first bucket.
And that's the matchup we've been talking about earlier, partner. Sabi ko na nga, itong si Seniza and si Sabayo, maglalaban talaga ito sa poste. And Seniza getting that offensive rebound and the second opportunity for Balud.
And that's a beautiful jumper by Karongoy pero medyo malakas. Lanusa, binigay kay Sabayo sa ilalim kasi naagaw. Itong mga nakaputi. Balud now. It's Espinosa flying and getting the continuation.
And that was a strong drive from our new guest player para sa Balud, itong si Jeffrey Espinosa. Talagang he will be the guy to be relied on by itong Balud.
Tama.
First
Although
personal foul, 17 foul.
we know less about him, it's our first time meeting him. Pero looks like talagang he has a lot to offer dito sa larong ito. And meron na siyang 7 points dito or make it 8.
And with that shot, partner, he cuts the lead down just to 1 point.
Yes.
14
Now
machine.
Jomar Santos against Jeffrey Espinosa. Nakalusot. Pumasa. Now to Cabrera. Cabrera
5
binigay
machine.
sa ilalim kay Jomar Santos. At napagandang a little fadeaway shot itong si Jomar. That's good.
And partner, if you leave him wide open under the basket, he thrives it under the basket, partner.
Tama. And naagaw ni Aymar Samayo ang pasa na yun for entry pass na yun. Lanusa. That's a very hard shot. Buti na lang nakuha pa niya ni Karongoy ang bola. At yan. This time hitting it from the right wing. Nitong si Karongoy.
And
Meron na
Mobo
siyang-
is still strong beyond the arc, partner.
Tama.
Kanina pang nagpapaulan ng tres itong team ng Mobo.
I believe ano na sila, 6 na 3-pointers. Fuentes. Missing. And Senisa is there doing the dirty work, cleaning up the mess.
And you need to give credit to the big man, cleaning the glass, getting the second chance opportunity, and scoring the basket. Napakagandang contribution for Balud.
And with Espinosa around, parang naiba yung laruan nitong si Senisa as we start this ball game. At ayan, Espinosa continues in scoring.
Right
His,
on cue, partner. Right
Tama.
on cue.
Dati kasi lumalabas pa yung si Senisa, but right now talagang nagagawa niya na yung gusto niya na pumoste ng pumoste. And yeah, a rebound there, pero muntik nang maagaw. At yan na nga, tuluyan ng naagaw. Lanusa for the finish. From a bounce pass mula dito kay Cabrera.
That was somehow clumsy on the side of Balud. They need to be more accurate in their passes, partner, and cut down the turnovers para at least makahabol sila dito.
Sayang yon. Now, ito na naman ang mga taga-Mobo. Cabrera bringing the ball down. Passing to the corner. Lanusa drives in and bounce it off to Jomar Santos. Lumabas at tumira. Kaya lang kapos na kapos yung kanyang tira. Now it's number 29. Lumipad. Na-rebound ngayon ni Jeffrey Espinosa. Balik dito kay Anthony Labajo. And this time, he makes it.
And you know, partner, Team Balud is thriving on the open floor. Whenever it comes to the fast break, they can score easy shots there. Credit to their point guards, especially itong bagong player nila si Jeffrey Espinosa.
Tama. So, napakagandang karagdagan talaga ito sa koponan ng Balud. Talagang naiba yung laro nila. Pero ayan, siyempre hindi naman magpapatalo ang Mobo with Karongoy finishing that one using the glass.
And that was a strong drive from Karongoy, partner. Talagang he is a good contribution pagdating dito sa side ng Mobo.
Tama. Now Espinosa. Drives but no good. Ito na naman si Karongoy. Leading the race against Fuentes. Scoring another bucket. So meron na ditong 9 na punto or make it 10 points itong si Karongoy.
And this is a high-scoring quarter
Yes,
for
it
Team Mobo.
It is.
They already have 26 points.
At ayun, Espinosa showing some handles there at binigay dito sa kanyang kakampi na si Raymar Villaruel for the jumper. And that's another bucket for Balud. Kaya yan, sa pag-time out, ang score natin 26-22. 147 na lang, partner, natitira. Ano pang mga ini-expect mo sa last few seconds of this ball game? Or of this quarter?
Well,
rather.
partner, both teams have started strong out here. Ano? Both teams are starting out fast. And they're scoring opportunities on and off the open floor. Ito naman Mobo, nagre-rely mostly on their 3-point shots. And itong Balud talagang they're using their big guy. Ito si Senisa and of course, ito si Jeffrey Espinosa.
So impressive naman both teams on the start of this game.
You know, partner, I don't know what to expect sa latter stages ng game na to. I think it will be close given na match itong first quarter natin eh.
Tama.
Both teams are scoring high. They're already at 26 and 22 points and of course, their players are already consistent when it comes to scoring.
Mga bagong salta for Mobo, Lupango, and itong si Gigante. At ayun, nakascore doon. Itong si number 21. That's, Lupango for Mobo. And pasok na rin dito si number 24, Nicon Antonio.
He is leading the fast break opportunity para dito sa mga taga-Balud.
Tama. At maganda rin naman ang ginagawa nitong si Anthony Labajo. Meron din siyang magandang fairness when it comes to transition. So malaking tulong siya para kay Espinosa.
Yes, partner. I'm sure both of them will be the duo, the combo duo, the combo guard
Sa
for
backcourt.
here. Yes, partner.
Substitution.
And right now it's Maghanoy replacing itong pinag-uusapan lang natin na si Labajo. Tignan makawala sa mga taga-Mobo yung and there goes!
Alvarez to Baldo.
Yan! Back-to-back buckets for Lupango.
And you know, partner, as we've talked, high-scoring game ito,
High
for sure.
scoring. Hernandez at the top of the key.